Adventures. Hi, welcome to Untitled Adventures Learning. I'm Corban, that's Tommy.
Hi.
Today we're going to be doing ice sculpture.
Yes, a salt ice sculpture.
Salt ice sculpture. Salt ice sculpture.
Salt ice sculpture. So stay
tuned.
So what do we need?
We need a tray. You can also use this tray.
And what's in the tray? What's in the ice tray?
Ice.
Yep, ice. Some frozen ice.
It has water in it.
Okay. What is that? Aluminum tray.
Salt.
Salt.
Food coloring.
Food coloring.
And some water.
And water. All right, let's get
Started.
All right, Corban, so what's the first step?
First step. Oh, the tip.
Okay, what's your tip?
That we already poured this water in the ice.
Oh, yeah, so we
Left
poured
it
that water.
overnight in the freezer.
Yes, okay, so we poured this water
So
into
the
that
first
tray.
step is to dump this out.
Okay, so that's the next step. So first you gotta freeze your ice overnight in some type of tray. All right, let's go to the next step.
Now I'm putting the ice in the tray from this.
All right.
And I already got 2 done.
All right.
Okay, let's see the third one.
Okay, so Corban is pouring the salt on the ice here. On top of the
Hurry,
ice.
because it might melt.
Yep, because
If you
salt.
check out our other experiment, that salt melts it faster than water.
Oh yeah, so if we have an experiment where we're melting ice with salt, so we'll put that in the description box.
Yeah. After this video, go see it.
All right, let's go to the next step. So now Corban's gonna put the food coloring on top of the ice, and he's gonna make his colorful structures.
Got red now.
Ooh, look at that.
The ice, look,
Oh yeah.
it's breaking
Yeah.
and it's going down. Green.
Woo! Yellow and blue make green.
Well, the green's going over the yellow.
Look at that. Look at the side of it.
It's a rainbow.
Yeah.
Now I'll get red. Cheese. There's 2 more ices left. There's a rainbow in the tray.
Oh yeah, there is a
Ah!
rainbow in the tray.
And there's a dot and there's a ping pong effect happening with the top. Right?
Yes.
Look at that! We made a rainbow.
Yeah, our salt ice sculptures look like a rainbow. Very good.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Look at our ice cube. See you in the next video. Bye.